What's good with y'all, bro? I'm loving what I'm seeing right now on both of these pairs, man. On both of these indices. This is actually exactly what I expected. So if we come to the 4 hour. So I was looking at this shit yesterday or the other day. Might have been Friday. And I noticed that ES was continuing to push higher and we were holding this 4 hour. And so was NQ. And NQ had already retraced to equilibrium of this range. And that compared with ES continuing to push higher, I expected us to sweep this and then start to push back down again so ES could finally come in to this area down here. Right, so we came up, we swept these highs on ES, we created an SMT with NQ. Again, this 2 to 2.5 level is where we rejected. We already hit equilibrium of this range, but with this SMT, I think we're going to start to push down again. Again, we had swept all-time highs up here. I think that was 2 weeks ago. Maybe that was last week. And I think it's time for ES to run down the equilibrium now. So I'm really going to focus on ES. You come down to the 1 hour, you can see we're selling off like crazy. We have this opening gap for the week. I expect this gap to get filled. I really want to see these lows though. But I have a stronger bearish bias on ES, so this is probably what I'm going to focus on. I took equilibrium of this range because this looks like second stage distribution on the 15 minute. And I want to see these lows down here. I honestly wanted to see a retracement up into this 15 minute and 5 minute fair value gap. We got some 1 minute highs over here. And I wanted to take a turtle soup entry, but we're going to wait till 9:30. I feel like 9:30 is going to have a false run up. We're going to run up into these highs, getting people to think we're bullish, rejecting off the volume imbalance from the week when we opened. And then we're going to sell off to these lows down here. We have news at 10 a.m. as well. But this is a clear market maker sell model. This is clearly sell side of the curve. So I'm excited, man. This is looking beautiful today. Alright, what I'm about to do here, I'm about to take a short right here. Now this is a risk because we open in 3 minutes. So I'm only doing one contract. I'm only risking $11. And I want to see how we play out. Because we keep selling off, I think we're going to continue to respect these PD arrays. I got my stop above this order block area. This is a 5 minute fair value gap. We got a 1 minute breaker. That's where I'm taking my entry at. And we're going to see if this holds. If it doesn't, then I'll be trying to take another entry up here where the buy side liquidity is, the 15 minute fair value gap, all that. I don't like how much we rejecting though. So I'm going to take that off real quick. I want to see us react to this first. We also filled that volume imbalance, that's why I took it off to the tick. If we start to sell off here, I'm going to look for a re-entry. Alright, I'm going to get in right here. If we close down there, it's this little volume imbalance. We got to run through this though. We can't be rejecting like this. Stop's going to be right here. I'm risking about $17. We got tapped in, but we moving a little aggressive. I want to see it start to reject back down, but I think we're gonna run through this. We just got stopped right there. We did hit equilibrium on this range. We rejected this volume imbalance, and now we're starting to push back up. I'm still bearish though. I want to see these lows get swept, but we gotta see what's going on first, cause now we're starting to push up. We had a rejection on the 15-minute too after we filled this imbalance. So NQ acting retarded. I just want us to sweep these highs. I ain't even gonna hold you, bro. I don't understand why NQ was running up like that, bro. Like, what the fuck is going on, bro? Right, we just took that high. But I don't even know if I should trade this right now because of how NQ is moving. I'm still short on ES though. I'm probably gonna take a short regardless, even if NQ looking retarded. NQ can do its own thing. I still need confirmation over here though because the 5-minute, if they break above these highs, I wouldn't consider that a market structure shift yet until we move above these highs and close above this. The 15-minute is very bullish right now, and we did reject right here. And it looks like we're gonna run through this bearish PD array. So we gotta be careful. We could come up all the way to equilibrium. So that's why I'm not doing anything yet. And yet NQ looks crazy. So I still gotta be mindful. So I wanna see a market structure shift. A strong one. We still got that big ass SMT right there. If this can become a breaker, I would take this right here. What's up? I'm awake. You got work? Yeah, I went to the gym. Yeah. It was smaller than I expected, but it was cool. There was like nobody there, which I'm not used to, so. Is everybody asleep? Oh, my bad. Alright. I'm going shorty. We'll see if we get any luck on this one. Hopefully we won't sell off and don't get an entry. That would suck ass. Let's let it play. Nah. I don't like that rejection, bro. I really don't. I need some more on that. If we push down and take this out without an entry, I'm just getting off the charts. Especially if news does it. Oh my god. But it looks like we about to push higher. Which I don't understand at all, bro. Let me just be honest. I literally don't know why we're doing this. I mean, we could be coming up here. I keep forgetting that part. I kind of want to take this right here. So this is about to be my last chart today. Last chart, man. Damn, this would have been nice. I didn't have enough confidence after that rejection, though, to take this. That would have been a cool little trade, though. $5 minute just shifted structure to the downside. And we got a breaker right there that's aligning with that. I'm about to move that down a little bit to the breaker. Whoa. Hopefully we can get an entry. Alright, we just got tagged. Oh. I'm about to just that's a terrible feeling, bro. I think we should sell off. If this 15-minute stops goddamn wigging like that, though. If we get stopped again, I'm just gonna close the laptop. Okay, let's start the push down, bro. That turtle soup entry would have been different. I just really was not confident in it, bro. Just wait until I'm confident, bro. I literally said, let's get in up here. Some shit like this, bro. That would have been crazy. And then I wanted to get in again over here, but I ain't have enough confidence there either. I had to wait for this big ass move, which is good. Wait until you confident, but just wait until I can get in off of my instincts. Like, wait until I really get confident and shit like this. It's gonna be over with, bro. What's up with this shit? That shit tapped me up. The low say 5302. Whatever, just give it. There we go. Alright, so we have one win and one loss on the day. That shit keep happening. I get a loss and then a win. It's like I can't just have a regular winning day, but it's all good. Now, again, I wanted to get in up here. I just don't have confidence with this yet, but my confidence is growing. It was mainly the equilibrium and the rejections on the 15-minute that I didn't like. And this huge run on NQ. I did not like any of that. We kept rejecting. But it turned out to be fine. This would have been a great trade. You know what I'm saying? Let's see, one contract. $72 a day, that ain't bad. But way less risk. This right here would have been another great trade at this breaker block. Another cool ass trade. $62 with 16 risk. This one, I should have waited until the breaker block got filled, bro, because that would have been much, much better. But it tapped it and I got nervous because I thought I wasn't going to get filled. I didn't think it was going to come back up. But I got to be patient next time. Would have made like a couple more dollars, but I would have been risking less. Better RR. But yeah, let's see how we did. We made about $6. Wait. No, we made about $15 today. I'm going to show y'all. Hold up. Post it to my community tab real quick. That's why you don't take one-to-ones, man. That's why I don't take one-to-ones, I should say. One loss and one win, but I still made money. Made $19.78 today. post that and we gonna post. See, look at how clear that shit was though, man. So fucking clear. I really think we gonna come down into here today, but I'm not trying to catch that whole thing. I don't need that. W Day made $19, man, so I'm about to get off the charts.